for someone.
But
if you hear people who are chased away from their jobs, he may fight because he thinks that there are people who have betrayed him. But after surrendering and saying, let me go back, he waits upon God. You find that there's something better that God has prepared for you. Some people you can put in your money because you want to do something good, and now you miss something better. I don't know whether you're understanding. Sometimes you may miss something better because of ignorance. Now Jesus said that let this cup go away from me, but not according to me, but according to your will. What does it mean? There is a godly plan. It is wrapped with something better. Jesus saw that escaping this cross, it would be better for him. There is a pain that he felt he could not enter in, but he accepted God to fulfill his plan. And he said, let your will be done. So the best is in God's plan. How many people, and you've ever sat there and say, what is your plan? If you want a job, you only want what you know. You pray and fight for it. But have you ever asked God to show you his will? You do your will to me. The Lord is good. Did you hear this man who was at the pool? I want us to quote from him like 3 things. The first thing, he could not fight for himself. He was crippled. It means he had no hope. How many people you have power and you're not crippled? I say, the moment you surrender and say, for me, I can't manage. For me, I'm at the walls. I'm seeing only the sea. I don't see the journey. And accept to wait upon God. God is going to reveal you. This man knew he was lame because they could just carry him. And the Bible said he was crippled. But listen, he did not say, take me away from the way. He did not tell to take him at the gates of the rich man. But he went at God's gate, where there is a good door. So if you have lost power, where do you wait from? Where do you wait God from? Things may weaken you. Your husband may weaken you. But where do you wait from? They could carry this person every day. He said it is up to God. For him, he remained getting the food, the day food. But he was waiting where God let us from. It means, brethren, whenever you get weakened, wait where God let us from. I don't know whether you get it. How many people you're waiting for marriage and it's not coming? But you wait and you wait for God to do for you something best. For you start chasing only the wind. Now I tell you, wait where God is. God is going to do for you the best.
Bakugobako mu bufumbo ne bugaana.
They chased you from marriage and
bakugobako mulimu ne bugaana.
they chased you from the job and
n'otandika kuwala na buwala.
And now you started
vaayo eyo yonna.
Leave everything.
Beera ng'omusajja n'agenda ku luggi olulungi.
Be like this man who went at the good gate.
Ku luggi lwa Mukama.
At the gate of God.
Kitegeeza n'alindirira.
It means he waited upon God.
Ng'asobola okufunirawo emmere eyaleero.
He could get the daily food.
Ne kibanga kimumala.
And it was enough.
Nkusabira gwe ateekedde awali Mukama.
I pray for you who waits where God is.
Ekisa ekikusitula kijje.
The grace that can lift you come.
Ekisa ekikuggyawo kituuke.
The grace that can take you